Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the analog stick and D-pad settings on your HORI track control system wheel. So first, open up the HORI Device Manager app. Now select the wheel, and in the wheel go to steering settings. So here we will have the analog stick and D-pad. As you guys can see, this feature helps prevent accidental analog inputs while turning the wheel. So here we can basically adjust the sensitivity from 0 up to 3. And if your level is higher, then it's much easier to prevent the accidental input. So if you want it completely disabled, you need to select it at 0, and basically the max is 3. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.